Before you even think about buying orange onions, there are 7 essential things you need to know that could save you time, money, and frustration. You've probably seen competitors like one competitor A and our competitor B, but let's break down exactly what makes orange onions stand out. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share how you can get the best offer, along with a free trial, so you can decide if it's right for you. First off, Orange Onions is known for its incredible user interface, which makes it easy for beginners, but it's also loaded with advanced features for power users. Unlike competitor A, which has a steep learning curve, Orange Onions makes setup and use simple without sacrificing functionality. This could be a game changer if you're looking to get started quickly, but don't want to feel overwhelmed by the complexity. Next thing you need to know is about pricing. While many tools out there will hit you with hidden fees or complicated plans, Orange Onions is transparent with its pricing. There are no surprise costs, and if you're worried about whether it's worth the investment, they offer a free trial that gives you a taste of all the features before you commit. Seriously, give it a try by clicking the first link in the description. I'll tell you more about that later, but you can get the best deal right now. Moving on, let's talk about integrations. Orange Onions seamlessly connects with a lot of popular software that you probably already use, whether it's Charles competitor B or another software. If you've been using another product for a while, switching can be painful. But Orange Onions takes the hassle out of this transition with smooth integrations that save you time. You won't have to manually input data like you do with some other options out there. The fourth thing you need to keep in mind is customer support. With Orange Onions, you're not going to be stuck waiting on hold for hours or navigating confusing FAQ sections. Their support is fast, responsive, and genuinely helpful. I've tested it myself, and it beats competitor A by miles. So if you run into any issues or just need some advice, you can count on getting solid help quickly. Next up is scalability. If you're growing your business or planning on using the product long term, you need a solution that can grow with you. Orange Onions offers amazing scalability features that allow you to easily upgrade as your needs expand. This is something a lot of their competitors, especially from competitor C, fall short on. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, Orange Onions has the tools to support you. Now, let's talk about security. In today's digital world, keeping your data safe is more important than ever, and Orange Onions doesn't cut corners here. With advanced encryption and regular security updates, your data is always protected. It's a relief, especially compared to Haas competitor B, which has had security issues in the past. Finally, the ease of use. If you've used other tools before, you'll appreciate how intuitive Orange Onions is. The dashboard is clean, the features are easy to navigate, and overall, it's a pleasure to use. That's not something I can say about competitor A, where every click feels like a chore. So, to recap, the user-friendly design, transparent pricing, seamless integrations, fast customer support, scalability, and top-tier security make Orange Onions a standout option. If you're still on the fence, here's the kicker. If you click the first link in the description below, you can try Orange Onions completely free and get access to some exclusive benefits. If you're ready to give it a shot, just click the link and enjoy your trial today. You won't regret it.